na yesan amwakwaba yenhwe nsem ekoso akodi mu na no pay nsem no na mekase edoso de se fata se wote ne empo abo no de bro kete wese enye dodo rewura biasa na bi onexpert.com e de sia konkon de nsem na de bro onexpert de mesro say unya entia me catch now say eno ne betting company options ne doso ma betima disika e de agu botom o mama lungu biblia betima fa so de disika onexpert.com and no edan chan Gfas measure mo ejina na so obey mo no ejina na so obey me mo Gfas yetem so a na ya sore kra Gfas kan one opay ne den sam na de bros and so and Sedimore gel and roll on Sedimore pin bia be kwa Sedimore gel and roll on makwe de sia konkona ye de akokan sie bro live e wo bidwam so and an opay be hya se area fi precision friendly sa hodo a koso we de clubs no de asiesie mo ho and ni nyina mu no wait mediska edi agu ubotom di channel sa fami bena pade we twese joba no tweme producers keju na kasane Erica Siri we be sha say the Manchester United game and ra what they pim so more and of course omo yiram ho bia first match a match draw and we a second game on omo dey pim so omo ne Leon and the pim so Donny van de Beek the ball only go the Man United onexpert.com ke hona there is some no at the brewo. Let's just saw the beche. And feeding the idea to the Biasa now. GFA, and they and some about 2 great shame say the next season, sending Yama Besiako, and I say, yeah, no more a shame at the amount of Cashansa, former Ghana coach and player, or legend. The way Ibrahim Sunday, and then some 2 grass when Biasono, and they back acquiring a national teams, the average players from national teams.
I think it's somehow lack of good planning because I don't know whether we really develop the players to a certain level before we call them to the national teams. Because when a player plays 2-3 matches and he does well, that doesn't mean that he is a good product for the national team. I think we have to change our attitude of selecting players to the national teams.
Right, Ibrahim Sunday now watch them say send your selected players for national teams in the mono say ye na ye say sanoram ye Gfas measure and I can why then some no at the brewo edition so half mama say Gfas dey mo original nice so be me no original nice so say oh buy mu now ye can Black Stars won say me hwe kwan e be fa so na Black Stars afan ntoma pa e dey friend no Samuel Eboyinkum en kan no see kan ye de ma Black Stars and they or sina kind of ma character folk no so dan no atum e che do no do hu no say a problem with the Black Stars.
Okay, say you call 2010.
The unity.
Yes,
this unity is one of the problems.
They have to be each and everyone's keeper there. Everybody. So also you have to you cannot to me here because you have Steven, you have Essien, you have Mucha. You know there was a discipline in camp.
Yeah, but as I said, there's no cohesion, there's no team.
That is what I'm saying. So it's not only about the performance. You know, outside we are not checking that side as well. We have a very young team, very good team, in my opinion. They are playing their club very good side. They are playing good football. So why they are in national team, things are not going the way they're supposed to. That's what I'm saying. They have to be like this. If they are doing stuff that they shouldn't do before game, they have to stop. They have to be there. They have to be like a team. Now, Ghanaians are demanding a lot from them. A lot. Because we want to take African Cup. We want to qualify for World Cup. So it's not easy for them. But I think that they are doing well, but they have to do extra.
Right, Samuel Eboyinkum na ordering some to dwa wo agudi nkomo so ne mevi samano e baso kwase da bia awia 12 shana so safa yes Sedimore gel and roll on pin beko Gfas measure mo ejana nice onexpert.com so can one open idea some there now the Paralympic Games next e baso in Ghana wo September mu ne ade na no na owura ne din Samson Dino president of the Africa Paralympic Committee also resana hu se si na sia kwa September na pese games no
Per the reports we received last week, it indicates that we might not be able to have the Legon Stadium for athletics in September. Why? The facility is not ready. As we speak, there has been the tracks are not fixed yet. And if you want to stage an international qualification event at the stadium needs to be certified. And for that matter, since it hasn't been certified, tracks are not fixed and all that, it will be very difficult for Ghana to host athletics, which is the most popular sport in parasports. So for that matter, we had a stakeholder consultation, stakeholder meetings with the international federations, and at the same time, the entire African membership, where we have made a bit of proposals to postpone the games from September to November, able to accommodate these challenges and also try to fix the challenge before time.
Right, something Dean na what they and some to Gasan. Say postpone and ask Pokrano a bit to me Abaswa and all Paralympic Games and one summer 18 and now pay and Cashan and Sumama says ya conquer Bribia OneExpert.com better your Betty better web Skabia bit me and yes cano and you go bottom Jifas makes them ways and I saw Bemu no Bemu and a setting gel and rolling. A class of folk young coach David Kula Papa, I'm the coach for front assistant ba Sansona Roberta the Soa, so a player mass of folks on the Tom Quanta Mapai, Korokobot, Yaguno, Nina Munsam, Yelebe broadcast channel to Sa Famame, Sergio Manucho, Banner Paddy will come in, producers and Pebiamo Buamina, but in some idea broadcast, I would Nanka Sabeka Cage 1 Erica Sidu Bodini, Coswa Hebrew.